It's Monday, what is today? What is today?
The 25th.
25th. It's the 25th of September. And I also heard today it's Daughter's Day. So all women out there, we are all daughters, and we may have daughters and we may have granddaughters. So it's Daughter's Day today. Who knew? Who knew? Let's talk about this beautiful new sock yarn from Laine du Nord. It's called Infinity Sock. And can you see? It has a toe and a gradient foot, and then it stripes all the way up. And then the second sock is exactly the same. So when you get to the toe color again, it's time for the second sock. Is that amazing? It can also be used for shawls and things that you need gradient and color changing things, but it's brilliant. It is so squishy, so soft. It's made in Italy. It's beautiful. It is 458 yards, so that's like a knee sock. Fabulous. So squishy, gorgeous. This is I got 4 of the colorways. So this is one, which I really like, in the reds, purples. This one is grays, peaches, yellows. My husband would like those. This one's more earthy. I like this. It looks like that. I know it's hard to see that little tiny sock. Let me show you this one. That one. And last but not least, love this. You can make a statement with these. There's my favorite green. Fabulous. So Infinity Sock, you get a pair of socks, $28. That is a Christmas present, right? And as long as you do that and you're a sock knitter, you definitely want to have the sock ruler, which helps you measure the foot as you are knitting back towards the heel. So can't live without a sock ruler. Sock rulers are $18. All right. This is the last week of September. What? And Saturday is the last day of September. So what does that make Saturday? It makes it the 5th Saturday. So we're going to have a 5th Saturday Facebook, Saturday morning, 9 o'clock. Get your mimosa, get your coffee, get your pen and pencil, get your telephone or your iPad, and call us. Watch us from 9 to 10 and call us. We will have some great ideas of things that are coming up and things that we can do. So anyway, that's this Saturday. Busy week. We're getting ready to go to our retreat the first weekend in October, so I'm scrambling around trying to figure that all out. But it's good. The week is good. All right. I will see you tomorrow.